So in this session, we will discuss about how to find the duplicate records in a table and how to delete the duplicate records in a table. Okay. So first, how to find the duplicate records in a table. So to do that, I want one table which will have duplicate records. So I am taking this table, select star from employee, but here there are no duplicate records in this table. For our task, I am creating the another table. In the table, I am inserting duplicate records. So I am creating one table, emp underscore backup, select star from emp. So if you execute this table query, then what will happen? emp underscore back will be created, and whatever the records in employee table, emp table, that records will be moved to emp underscore back. Okay. So see this. So this is that means this is the way to create the backup table. Okay. So all the records are moved to emp underscore back. Okay. Now I am inserting duplicate records. This. So what will happen? All the records are duplicated. Execute it. See how many records? 28 records are there. Okay. Now I have to find the duplicates. So with CTE as select or from emp underscore back, and here I am using row underscore number over partition by all these columns. Order by, you can take any column as serial number or row number. Select D. Here execute it. See what will happen. Sorry, here I didn't take remaining columns. What is this error? See this. Here it is finding the duplicate records. Here, see this, by using this partition. So I'm going to partition the records based on all the columns. Okay, if you have any serial number, then ignore that serial number. Why? Because if you put the serial number in partition by column, which is having auto incremented property, then you will not get the duplicate records. Why? Because serial number itself unique. Okay, so that's why I am putting all the columns in partition by class. After that, order by class, you can give anything, employee number or anything. So it will partition all the records based on these columns. That's why here partition all the records based on these columns and assign row number for each and every record. So 1, 2, 1, 2, each and every record is having row number 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay. Now here you can write where condition where row number is greater than 1. Then see what will happen. So duplicate records. So which is having row number 2, that thing you are having. Okay. So here same logic you can use by using derived table. Okay. So this same logic here A where row number greater than 1, and here write select star from. See this you can have. Okay. Now here how to delete the duplicate records. Okay, so this is the way to find the duplicate records, but deleting is different. Okay. So we will see how to delete the duplicate records. For deleting the duplicate records, it is better to have auto incremented column. For that, I am taking auto incremented column on employee underscore back table. emp underscore back add column serial number auto increment primary key. Okay, so now you check it whether that serial number has been created or not. See this serial number is assigned. Okay, so here take that serial number. See this, I am taking this CTE query and putting that serial number in select query and taking that serial number here in select serial number from CTE. Now find this. So here I am able to get the serial number which are having the duplicate records. Okay, I am getting the serial number of duplicate records. Okay, then you can give the delete query. You can write this delete query and you can give this serial number to that delete query. Serial number here emp underscore back serial number in. So put this entire logic in brackets and execute it. So here you can go through the table, see what will happen. Only 14 records are available. Okay, that means all duplicate records are removed. Okay, so this is the way to delete the duplicate records. And we will check by using the derived table whether it will be deleted or not. So before going to that, insert the duplicate records. Sorry, so it is not allowing. Why? Because earlier it is allowing. Why? Because serial number was not there. So here serial number was coming. So that's why take this all column names. And here take these column names and insert. So 14 records are there. Now see this. See, observe this. After 14, serial number will be 29. Why? Because previous records are having 15 to 28. So we have removed that record. So while inserting that again, so serial number starts from 29. Okay. So 42. So this is the derived table query. And here I am taking, so here I didn't take the serial number. Execute this. So from 29 to 42 records are I am getting. So take this serial number and delete from emp underscore back where serial number in, and put this entire logic in brackets. That is nothing but, so this is the subquery. Okay, subquery. So subquery will be executed first and the main query will be executed next. See, 14 records are affected. And go through the table. How many records are available? See, 14 records are there. So here up to 14 is there. Okay, so this is another approach to delete the subquery. So here, how many approaches? Using CTE, using derived table, and finding the records also using CTE and using derived table. And another approach using inner join, we will see. Okay, and before going to see that, we need to insert duplicate records again. So this is the insert query for duplicate records. So 14 records are inserted. You can check. Now serial number starts from 43 for duplicate records. 43. 44. It is starting from 44. So next. So I am taking this emp underscore back e1 inner join and emp underscore back another alias name e2 on e1 dot employee number equal to e2 dot employee number and e1 dot serial number greater than e2 dot serial number. So 14 records are there. Okay, so now that means duplicate, it will return, this query will return duplicate records. So if you execute this up to this, then see 56 records are there. If you execute this query, entire query, then you will have only duplicate records. Now you can write this delete query, delete E1, then execute it. So 14 records will be deleted, and observe this, duplicate records are deleted. Okay, so this is another approach. So this is about finding the duplicate records and deleting the duplicate records. Okay, so you can also write this using inner join. Also we can finding the duplicate records, but serial number is mandatory. Okay, so these are the duplicate records. There are 3 approaches for finding the duplicate records, 3 approaches for deleting the duplicate records.